Hello, my wonderful family. Thanks for tuning in once again. Today I have a very beautiful tutorial to show you guys, and these are the materials I'm going to be using to make the tutorial. It's a stone bead, a gemstone bead. These are the beads we're going to be using to design, and the materials are what I just showed you guys now. And these are my pliers that I'll be using, my cutter, then my scissors. And you see at the top of the video you can see the bead already designed there, and I'm showing you guys how it looks at the end. But just watch to the end to see how I got to bring out this beautiful dangling gemstone earring. It's so beautiful. First I take the head pins. The head pin has a tiny flat bead on the bottom, so that's where we'll be threading the beads. And with the flat bottom, it has the beads won't be able to fall off. So we'll thread in the beads one after the other on the head pins. Okay. So we're done with the first head pin. So you do the same thing with the other pin, which is for the other ear. So you do the same thing, thread in the bead into the head pins. Now we bring out the hooks that we'll be using to make the earrings to be complete. So the ear hooks, the earring hook are what we're going to be using. But first you go with your plier to twist the wire of the head pin you're using. So you give it a very good bend with your plier. And after giving it a very good bend, after turning it around and getting the shape you want, the round shape you want at the up there, where you can be able to fix in the earring hook. So watch closely and see the way I'm turning it with the plier to give it a very good and a round shape it's supposed to have. Watch closer. And you have to be very careful when you are handling the pin and when you are handling your plier also, because any slight mistake you make, you can hurt yourself with the plier. You can use it to pinch yourself mistakenly. So that's why you have to be very, very attentive and careful when you are holding the pin and the plier together. So you see the way, you guys can see the way I'm doing it with a very good care, in order not to make a mistake, in order not to break the pin, and in order not to get myself injured also. So now I have the round shape I want. I'm still balancing it up with my pliers. So you do the same thing with the other earring. You do the same thing, apply the same form of turning the pin with your plier also to get it well round and shaped at the up, where you'll be able to fix your earring hook. So now I'm fixing the earring hook, and it's not that kind of easy to fix it, but it's a good target to have to make. So make sure you place it in the round pin you have bent before with the plier, so it's not that kind of that easy to make it fixed well, but you have to concentrate and make sure you get a target to fix it properly. Wow, so the earrings are ready now. So beautiful. It looks so beautiful. So now the earrings are ready for use. Please guys, if this is your first time, like I said before, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, also share our videos. You don't know who you'll be helping with our video. Okay, don't forget to share. See you all in my next video. Don't miss out the next episode. Bye. Love you all.